Let's go. What do you got?
Well, we have a situation, or two actually. So that's the new cicada, and that's the dagger chasing Nora and Miss Bowl.
Guys, I need help.
Time to move. Grace, let him go. I know you want revenge for your
But
parents.
it wasn't that woman's fault. It doesn't change that they're dead, or that I became this.
We can help you.
With your cure, there's only one cure for this, Flash. Death.
Guys, I can't keep this up.
Nora, you need to hang on for a little bit longer. You're gonna turn on
The alleyway on Fuller.
the alleyway on Fuller. Be ready.
For what?
Ooh, I am not loving that. Nope.
Guys, we need you two at the hospital.
Let's go.
What the hell was that?
Cisco, what happened?
I don't know. Something's wrong with my breach. We can't get through it.
I've always wanted to be up against the Flash and his legendary team. I guess I wasn't missing out on anything after all.
Grace! Don't do this. Please. This isn't the way to make the world a better place.
You hated them. I hurt you.
I was wrong. And that hate turned into something even worse. It was wrong to make you feel that way, Gracie. But you don't have to go down the same path I did. You don't have to hold on to this anger. Let it go.
But my parents,
It was an accident. Let it go. Before it's too late, like it is for me.
you're right, Uncle Orlin. It is too late.